Are you wondering what degree you should pursue here in AUIS? Then international studies is a great option. It equips you with a set of knowledge that can be used everywhere in the world. You will get opportunities both locally and internationally, such as the JSUP competition that was held in Washington, D.C. that we took part in.
For each project, we work closely with our professors. This helps us utilize the knowledge and skills we have gained to pursue higher education and advance our career.
The Social Science Department offers 3 majors: International Studies, International Relations, and Law, as well as minors in each department and another minor in Political Science. We've just opened a new department focused on international relations. We have a focus on East Asia, and I'm excited for the possibilities where students can travel to Europe in our program to Venice, or they can travel to Korea in the coming years. So in the future, students will be able to intern with major international organizations, UN organizations, embassies, as well as NGOs, as well as work on problems that matter to them and their communities. And then they'll be able to graduate studies and pursue careers in these fields.